Ever wonder where your Google review vanished off to? Let's dive into the mystery of Google review visibility and uncover how long it really takes for your feedback to show up, which typically is instant to a few minutes. Once a customer submits a review, Google's algorithms spring into action, processing the content to ensure its authenticity and relevance. This initial check usually happens within minutes. However, several factors can cause delays. If Google detects anything suspicious, such as spammy language, policy violations, or fake account activity, the review might be flagged for further review. A business's online presence also plays a role. A complete and active Google business profile with consistent information across the web increases the likelihood of faster review publication. In some cases, particularly for new businesses or accounts with limited history, the review might take longer to appear, even up to a few days, as Google gathers more information. So, if your review isn't showing up immediately, don't panic. Give it some time, ensure the content is genuine, and check back periodically. Understanding the review publication process helps manage expectations. By knowing the potential delays and contributing factors, you can better anticipate when your valuable feedback becomes visible to others, helping businesses thrive and customers make informed decisions.